Hello my friends. So today we're gonna be repotting my cactus. Yay! Um, y'all remember I got these. These are supposed to be rare cactus. We're gonna go over them in a second. Now, first off, let me just say this is not no tutorial. If you want the proper way, the best way to repot your little cacti, this ain't the video for you. We're just doing it the way that I do it. I do want to repot them a little bit better than I have been, but I don't really. Hey, it's my neighbor. I don't really have the stuff to do it. I just have like regular cactus soil. I'm very cheap, so I don't want to. I don't want to go buy it, and I don't want to DoorDash it. So here's all our friends. So yeah, we're just using cactus soil. A lot of people when they repot their cactus, or do their cactus or whatever, they have was it lava rock or lava stone, or they use perlite to make sure it's not super like thick soil and it doesn't hold a lot of moisture, because cacti live in the desert most of the time, and it's a lot of sand there, and sand is not really like soil where it absorbs a lot of water when it does rain or whatever. So try to mimic their natural habitat, right? Nope, I just use cactus soil. Ugh, and look, I don't need nobody coming here telling me you need to do this. I don't need to do nothing, baby, because I got cactus that have been living for years in just some soil. But I'm just saying, if you want the best way to do it, don't listen to me, right? Okay, so we're using the Miracle Grow. This is the cactus, palm, and citrus soil. This is also what I have my orange tree and guava tree growing in. I use this for a lot of my citrus and cactus and succulents and stuff. Great stuff, right? Okay, so what we have to repot, let's go over that real quick. We have this. This I think is called Old Man Alps or something like that. It grows like this hair on it. Is so wicked looking. How crazy is that? Naturally grows that hair. I don't know, pretty weird. This is called a snowman cactus. It has its flower growing. Oh, he's beeping. I guess he's beeping at his wife. Come on out, girl. This right here. Can you see it? It's little flowers coming out. But this is a snowman cactus, and apparently they like. Well, you can kind of see the picture on the back of it. There you go. They kind of like grow on top of each other. They look like little potatoes, but like snowmen, I guess you could say. These, I don't know. I don't know what these are. I got these at my local nursery. They just looked really cool. I think this one, it looks like one of those like ball cactuses. I think it's like a golden ball or something like that. And then this one just looks like it has like crazy hair, like he got electrocuted or something. And then we have the variegated moon cactus. Now this cactus you will actually find, if you guys remember watching my video, a lot of times you'll find them in the store. Here, I'll put a little picture right here. These cactus right here, cacti, whatever you want to call it. Most of the time they are connected to a piece of a dragon fruit, and they take one of these cactuses, or cacti or whatever, right? They take a moon cactus, they'll cut the bottom of it, right? And then they'll cut a stem off a dragon fruit and then like put them together, and they'll kind of like heal together. And it's called a grafted cacti when they are put together like that. So this is just the moon cactus by itself, but it's variegated, which, look it up. I don't know how to explain that to you. It's a cool like mutation thing that they do. Okay, cool. And then this, look at this. It's like alien fingers. How wicked is this? Oh my God. Ew. Ew. I know somebody has a phobia of this. Disgusting. And then this is like the sand dollar cactus. Astrophotum. They got some crazy names, like some real scientific names that I cannot pronounce. It's on the back right there. But it's a sand dollar cactus, I think. And I think the video I seen, the girl said that not these like aren't all the same or whatever. Like each one of these will be different, so they're very unique. I was like, that's pretty cool. My favorite is this guy. I can't wait to see more little potatoes grow. And he's got a flower. I'll have to show you guys when that blooms. Okay, let's get to potting. All right, I have depotted everything, and you can see just how much some of these really needed to be repotted. Look at those roots. Oh my gosh, right, I know. Okay, so that's our electrocution guy. And then this, oh my God, insane. This one came out a little bit wonky. Right, I hope it'll be okay. And this one, it just keeps like, I know like it's obviously supposed to dry out really fast, but this soil really dries out super fast. I don't think it really needed to be repotted. We're gonna put it in here. Oh, I didn't even show you what we're putting it in. Hey, I wanted something to like have all my little succulents and cactus in or whatever, because it's gonna be so many. These, like, cactus live so long. So it's gonna be a long time before I'll have to repot it again. And I just wanted them all in like some little thing to have like a little desert area. Thought it'd be pretty cool. All right, so let's take our, maybe I should have filled it up with some soil first. All right, let's move these to the side. Okay, and we're gonna take this and just, yes, yes, beautiful. Oh, right, there's a spider. There's a spider, and it went in my cactus. Look, I know you, ooh, hey. I know y'all love bugs so much, but I don't. And when it's bothering me and it's near me, I'm gonna kill it, okay? I don't, oh, you won't die. Oh my God, there it goes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all, I do not like bugs. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Call PETA. Call PETA. Tell him I killed a spider, God forbid. Oh, it came off the soil bag. I got the heebie-jeebies. I don't want to touch it. Okay. Right. Okay. All right. Right. Okay. I think we're good. We're good. I need to put some more in here. That was not enough. Or actually, yeah, we need some more. Okay. Ooh, what is that? What is that? Now there's something flying. And it's not my bee. It's a, oh my God, it's a wasp. Look. Right. As long as you keep flying that way, we're good. I'm good with my honeybees, y'all. If you're new here, hey, what's up? For one, but two, I am a beekeeper as well, and I do have honeybees, like a beehive, my own beehive and stuff. But it's not, it's not with wasps. No, it's with honeybees, and the wasps I do not trust. They're assholes. I tell you, they come for you. Okay. All right. Oh, this is like just enough soil. Okay, wind. This is not working right now. All right, hold on, y'all. I know I'm out of camera. Oh my God. There's just a lot happening right now. Okay. We're still alive. A lot going on right now. Okay. Can everything leave me alone? Please. Okay. I might need to go grab my other bag of soil. I do have another bag of soil right there. It's probably another spider in it too. BRB. We got the other bag of soil. I have like 5 bags of this freaking cactus soil. Again, I use it for basically everything. All right, is this enough now? I think so. Amazing. All the way to the top, baby. Okay. Oh, I'm out of breath. Oh my God. I just stepped on him. He fell. Oh, y'all. I got asthma, if y'all don't know. I'm sure you wouldn't know, but I do got asthma, and it's intense. I don't think vaping helps either. I do need to stop that. I do. It's horrible. It's a horrible thing. No need to tell me. All right, let's do this. See, now this is what YouTube used to be. You know, hanging out with your peeps, right? Hanging out with your peeps, living life. Stuff is still flying. Living life, you know. Maybe not necessarily potting plants, but that's what we're doing here today. But no, it just used to be fun. Not everything had to be a trendy topic or, you know, real educational, even though, well, I did tell you at the beginning, this is not going to be an educational video, or at least the proper way to do something, you know what I mean? But I feel like everything now is either supposed to be trendy or just like give people a reason to want to watch. And it's like, babe, I'm here to hang out. Like, what are you talking about? Oh, should we do this one in the middle? We're gonna do this one in the middle real quick. Hold on. But yes, I just love hanging out. I mean, I'm not here to go viral, you know? If it happens, it happens. I would, you know, not gonna decline some virality, but it's not my goal. Oh, look at the plane. Where are y'all going? Take me with ya to the Bahamas, Jamaica. Ooh, I wanna take you to the Bahamas. Come on, pretty mama. Okay. Right, I could do 3 here. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. 3 here on this side. Look, I'm gonna show you guys in just a second. And then we can do another. Oh, how did I break you? Oh my God. I broke a stem off the alien finger one. I don't know what it's called. Again, this is not National Geographic, you guys. So I do apologize if you're looking for correct information. Proper. Ooh, is that a lightning bug? During the day? I don't know if I've ever seen a lightning bug during the day. The world's ending. Okay. Now, we need this guy. Hold on. We're almost done. We got one more to put in here. And most of this video is just me running my mouth, really. Oh, man. Okay. Well, not... Okay. Hey. Hey. I don't know. Were y'all watching my fence for me? Was anybody looking at me back there? Who's back there? Okay. We got one more. We got the moon cactus. Okay. Gotta hold it like this because it's gonna poke me. Okay. Put the bottom of the root in there. Kind of move it around with the soil. Oh. Okay. Maybe I can. Oh yeah, I can touch in between it. Oh, I just got poked by the other one. Lovely. This looks so good. Hold on, look. Oh my God. I know. Hit me up. Hit me up. This would charge $50. No, I'm just kidding. Oh my God, that's so expensive. No, I'd come do it for free. This is so cute. Now I need to put like some rocks in here. I don't know what kind of rocks. Something. I need to decorate it. But yes, it'll take a while for these to start growing. But a lot of them needed to be repotted. And yeah, we did that. This is so gorgeous. Let me know what you think. Well, I just watered everything and carried it right on back. So I love you guys so much. Hopefully you enjoyed this repotting of my cacti. Again, this is not the proper way to do it. If you want the best way to pot your cacti, find another video. But I just wanted to hang out with you guys and show you my little process. So I love you so much. Y'all have a great day and I hope you had a great weekend. I'll see you in the next one.